Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to forward shared media on WhatsApp Web using the brand new update. If you use WhatsApp on your computer, this new feature will make organizing and sharing photos, videos, and documents much faster and easier. Let's get started right away. First, open WhatsApp Web on your PC. You can do this by visiting the WhatsApp web page and scanning the QR code with your phone to log in. Once you're in, you'll notice some new icons on the left side menu. That's where the media section now lives. Click on the media icon on the left side menu. This is your new hub for everything shared from pictures and videos to voice notes and documents. It gives you clear access to all your shared media from every chat, making it simple to browse and manage. Now, select media to open the media library. You'll see all your sent and received media displayed neatly. Scroll through and find the specific photos, videos, or files you'd like to forward. When you found what you need, look toward the top of the window. That's where the selection tools are. Click on the select icon at the top of the window. This will allow you to pick multiple items at once. Go ahead and select all the media you want to share. Once you have made your selections, look for the forward icon, usually represented by an arrow, and click on it. A list of your chats and contacts will appear. Choose the recipients you want to send the media to. You can pick a single person, multiple contacts, or even a group chat. When you're ready, just press send, and that's it. You've successfully forwarded shared media on WhatsApp Web using the updated interface. This new feature saves time and keeps your files organized right from your desktop. If you found this helpful, don't forget to stay tuned for more easy guides on the latest WhatsApp features.